And our team coverage now continues with reporter Jenny Young.
And we know homes are going to be heating up too, and she's checking on that program to get air conditioners to households in need ahead of the summer months as well.
I've made several calls and sent several emails today. My two main questions that we want answered: how many ACs does the city have, and when are they going to start installing those? In response to 2021's deadly heat dome, the Portland City Council approved a grant last year aimed at giving 15,000 energy-efficient heat pumps and air conditioning units over the next 5 years to people who live in areas with the greatest heat-related risk.
You can imagine being in 12th floor up here, how hot it gets. Even the fans don't work when you're laying there trying to be cool with no AC unit.
Stacy Turpin lives in this building at Northwest 19th and Flanders, where at least one person died during the heat dome. She remembers how complicated it was last summer when she and her neighbors were trying to get one of the city's taxpayer-funded AC units installed.
We were having to wait for them to come to units, and I believe that's part of the reason why I didn't get mine towards the end, because there wasn't any left.
She tells me she filled out a new application hoping to get one in her apartment this summer, but so far hasn't heard anything. If you could ask or say anything to the officials in charge of these programs, what would you say?
It's a health concern, and there are folks that are of age that live in the building and can't really get in and out of the building to get to a cooling shelter.
The city pays the nonprofit organization Earth Advantage to purchase, warehouse, and install the air conditioners. Last year in July, KOIN reported that about 800 ACs had been installed, but more than 1,300 were still in a warehouse.
If you were calling about the Cooling Portland program.
After several calls and emails to the organization, I found out last year they installed a total of 3,000 air conditioners, but I'm still waiting to hear how many will be installed this year and when that work will begin. We know that Multnomah County and OHA have invested taxpayer dollars in heat response programs. I did reach out to both of them. I haven't heard back from the county, but OHA says that they have 3,000 AC units available for folks most in need. If you want information about those, go to KOIN.com. Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.
And remember, you can stay up to date on the forecast and local weather alerts if you get our free KOIN 6 News app.
Well, happening tonight, teachers